Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you a recipe from my cookbook, which is available online. I'll leave a link down below. But today we're going to be making pizza pudgy pie. I'm pretty excited about this recipe. It's pretty tasty and it's pretty easy to make too, and easy to clean up after. So basically what you're going to need is a frying pan, a plate to eat off of, your stove. I have this one here from Primus. You're going to need fuel, obviously, a can of tomato sauce. You'll need a knife. And then in here, you'll need some cooking oil. I like to put it in this small little bottle. You can get these on Amazon really cheap. They're pretty good and they're just about the right size that I need. This is probably a little more oil than I'll actually end up using, but it's nice. These little containers are really great. You're going to need some string cheese, your can opener. I have this P38 can opener that's pretty cool. It's kind of a pain to use, but it works, and it's absolutely tiny. I mean, you can't get much smaller than that for a can opener. And then you're going to need some bread. I just have a couple slices of bread in here. Anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to heat up some oil in the pan. We're going to fry the first side of the bread to get it a little toasty. I like to fry both sides of the bread. You don't have to, but I'm going to go ahead and toast it one side a little bit, flip it over, put the sauce on it, cut the cheese up and put that on it. And also an optional thing here is you could put pepperonis on it if you wanted to. I just don't have any with me today, but that definitely increases the flavor of the pizza. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and set this stove up, get everything going, and show you what this recipe looks like. One quick note on this, I'm noticing that the cheese isn't melting quite as fast as I would like it to. In retrospect, I probably should have taken some aluminum foil to cover it up with, or just a cover for the frying pan. Definitely would melt a lot easier then. But it looks like it's just about done, so I'm excited to taste this and see how it is. All right, so that's my pizza pudgy pie. It's a pretty easy recipe, like I said. Definitely bring some Reynolds wrap. It got a little bit burnt on the bottom. I think that wouldn't have happened if I had covered it with Reynolds wrap. It would have melted the cheese a little bit faster. But it was pretty good. I definitely enjoyed making this recipe. I hope you enjoyed watching and learning about making pizza while you're out motorcycle camping. And don't forget, I do have copies of my cookbook available with spiral bound, which is pretty cool. I only have a certain amount of them, and once they're gone until I replenish them. But this makes a great Christmas gift, or even just a gift for yourself. So anyways, that's it for today. I know it was a pretty quick video. Thanks so much for stopping by and watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe.